When the ocean begins freezing where it never has before, Moana hears a cracked, sorrowful song beneath the waves. Elsa senses her magic responding to something ancient. Together, they seek the song's source. Moana and Elsa sail across the glittering, frozen sea. The ice sparkles with a faint blue light. Moana feels the ocean's pain, Elsa feels the ice's sorrow. They find an ancient ice cave. Inside, they see a spirit trapped between ice and water. The spirit sings a mournful song. Its voice echoes with the cold of ages. Moana speaks to the spirit, offering comfort. Elsa senses the spirit's deep sadness. The spirit explains it is an ocean guardian. It became trapped when the balance was disrupted. The ice and water fight, causing the imbalance. Elsa understands the spirit's pain. She remembers her own struggle with her powers. Moana reminds the spirit of the ocean's strength. She speaks of resilience and hope. Elsa uses her magic to gently melt the ice. She creates pathways for the water to flow. Moana calls upon the ocean to soothe the spirit. The waves glow with a warm, golden light. Together, they work to free the trapped spirit. The ice begins to crack and shift. The water flows more freely. The spirit's song becomes clearer and stronger. With a final burst of magic, the spirit is freed. It rises from the ice, radiant and grateful. The spirit thanks Moana and Elsa. It explains the need for balance in nature. The spirit asks them to protect the ocean. Moana promises to listen to the ocean's needs. Elsa vows to use her magic wisely. The ocean spirit smiles, its light spreading. It touches the water, healing the frozen sea. The ice begins to melt, returning to water. The waves dance with renewed energy. Moana and Elsa feel the ocean's joy. They know they have made a difference. The spirit fades, its song echoing softly. Moana and Elsa look at each other. They understand the importance of teamwork. They promise to continue to protect the balance. The waves gently push their boat forward. The sun shines brightly on the sea. Moana and Elsa sail on side by side. They are ready for any challenge. The ocean sings a song of gratitude. Moana and Elsa listen, their hearts full. They know their journey has just begun. The frozen sea begins to thaw. Life returns to the once barren waters. The balance is restored, for now. Moana and Elsa smile, hopeful. They will always remember the spirit's song. They learn to respect nature's delicate balance. They continue their journey, stronger together. The ocean waves guide them home.